All right, here's Ava Grace, the ad creation fiend. Hey, honey, you gonna launch some ads with UpHex? All right, let's see what you got. Walk me through it. Walk me through it like I'm a knucklehead.
Okay, we got our details there. Got a $10 budget every day. Our website takes us to our appointment page. Got my ad preview here.
Okay.
Got my address, 10-mile radius with an audience all about that big. It's all looking good.
Okay, all you gotta do?
Just push that button.
Hang tight. And now, what's it doing?
It's doing all the nitty-gritty Facebook stuff.
It's doing all the nitty-gritty Facebook stuff. So we'll hang tight, and pretty soon this thing will be a launch campaign.
A few moments later.
Success, your campaign was created successful. How long did that take you?
To launch it,
Yeah,
like 2 minutes.
not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. Hey, you know what that means? You're getting
What?
paid.
Yes.
Money for the honeys. And you're the honey.